This 2019 Dutchmen Rubicon 251XLT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, DVD player, leveling jacks, air conditioning, stovetop burner, external shower, skylight, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Dutchmen Rubicon 251XLT is 5,619 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.